Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how you can factory reset in your Oppo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on search, and here you have to write reset. Click on search and just click on reset here, erase all data, enable the password from here. Now you can see by doing this erase all data, it will reset everything, like it will delete all your data, app data, photos, videos, and even your Google Gmail ID and SD card also. So you have to remove it safely and then to erase all data, and by clicking on it, it will reboot your smartphone and it will all cleared. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.